Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will cover one of the most important topics of physiology, that is blood. Now, blood is a connective tissue which is in fluid form. So basically, blood is nothing but a connective tissue, but it is in a fluid form. It's in a liquid form. It's called the fluid of life because it carries oxygen from the lungs to all the parts of the body and carbon dioxide from all the parts of body to the lungs, right? So blood basically acts as a carrier medium. It carries the oxygen from the lungs to all the parts of body and carbon dioxide from all the parts of body back to the lungs. Let's start by discussing the properties of blood. Starting with color. Blood, obviously we know it is red in color. Arterial blood is scarlet red because of more oxygen, and venous blood is purple red because of more carbon dioxide. This can be a viva question. Next we have volume. The average volume of blood in normal adult is 5 liters. In newborn baby, it is 450 ml only. It increases during growth and reaches to 5 liter at the time of puberty. In females, it is slightly less and is about 4.5 liter. It is about 8% of the body weight of normal young healthy adult weighing about 70 kgs. Let's talk about reaction and pH. So blood is slightly alkaline and its pH in normal condition is 7.4. Viscosity. Blood is 5 times more viscous than water. It is mainly due to the red blood cells and the plasma protein. So red blood cells and the plasma protein gives the viscosity to the blood. Lastly, we have the specific gravity. The specific gravity of total blood is 1.052 to 1.061. This is a viva question. So in specific gravity, the cells are contributing greater than the plasma, as is evident by their separate specific gravities. Moving on to the composition of blood. Blood is mainly composed of two components, the blood cell and the plasma. The blood cell includes the red blood cells or the RBCs, white blood cells or WBCs, and platelets. All these blood cells will be discussed separately in detail in the upcoming videos in our lecture series, okay? The second component of blood is plasma. Plasma is a straw-colored clear liquid part of the blood. So it is lightly yellow in color. It contains 91 to 92% of water and 8 to 9% of solids. The solids are the organic and the inorganic substances. The organic substances include the plasma protein, amino acid, carbohydrate, fats, internal secretion, enzymes, and antibodies. The inorganic substances in plasma constitute the sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, copper, chloride, etc. The gases dissolved in plasma include oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Lastly, in the constituents of blood, we will talk about serum. Now, what is serum? Serum is a clear straw-colored fluid that oozes out from a clot. Now, when the blood is taken out and it is collected in a container, it clots because of the conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin. After about 45 minutes, serum oozes out of the clot. It is different from the plasma only by the absence of fibrinogen. That is, serum contains all other constituents of plasma except fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is absent in serum because it is converted to fibrin during the blood clotting. So this can be a viva question, differentiate between serum and plasma. Moving on to the functions of blood, blood performs a long list of functions. We'll go through them one by one in detail in upcoming videos. However, a brief explanation is provided in this video. The first one is the nutrient function. Nutritive substances like glucose, amino acids, lipids, and vitamins derived from the digested food are absorbed from the GIT and carried by the blood to different parts of the body for growth and production of energy. It has respiratory functions as already discussed because it transports the respiratory gases. It carries oxygen from the alveoli of the lungs to the different tissues and CO2 from the tissues to the alveoli. It has excretory function because waste products formed in the tissues during various metabolic activities are removed by the blood and carried to the excretory organs like the kidneys, skin, liver, etc. for excretion. It functions in the transport of hormones and enzymes. Hormones which are secreted by ductless endocrine glands, they are released directly into the blood. The blood transports these hormones to their target organs or tissues. So blood transport hormones and it also transport enzymes. Regulation of water balance. The water content of blood is freely interchangeable with interstitial fluid. This helps in regulation of the water content of the body. Maintenance of normal pH is necessary for all the reactions in the body to occur properly. Blood plays an important role here as well. Regulation of acid-base balance. The plasma protein and hemoglobin, they act as buffers and help in the regulation of acid-base balance. Okay. Talking about the regulation of body temperature, because of high specific heat of blood, it is responsible for maintaining the thermoregulatory mechanism in the body. That is, balance between the heat loss and heat gain in the body is maintained by the blood. Water and some important substances like proteins, glucose, sodium, and potassium are constantly required by the tissues. So, all these substances are present in the blood. They are taken up by the tissues during the conditions like starvation, fluid loss, electrolyte loss, etc. Finishing it off with one of the most important function of blood, that is the defensive function. We all know that blood has WBCs, or the white blood cells. So the various white blood cells in the blood provide the defense mechanisms and protect the body from the invading organisms. Neutrophils and monocytes engulf the bacteria by phagocytosis. Lymphocytes provide cellular and humoral immunity. Eosinophil protects the body by detoxification, disintegration, and removal of foreign proteins. To summarize, in this video, we explored the vital aspects of blood physiology. We came to know that blood is a remarkable connective tissue responsible for oxygen and carbon dioxide transport. We discussed its key properties such as color, volume, and pH, and the composition of its two main components, the blood cells and the plasma. Blood cells included the red cells, white cells, and the platelets. We also touched on serum formation. We saw the difference between plasma and serum, right? Then we talked about the functions of blood, which were the nutrient functions, the respiratory gas exchange, waste removal, and hormone transportation. We also talked about its role in maintaining the water balance, acid-base balance, regulating temperature, acting as a storage reservoir, and its defense mechanism through white blood cells. So I hope that this basic knowledge will help you in the foundation as we dive deeper into the section of blood in the upcoming videos. Now, important questions that you might be asked from this topic include: list the functions performed by the blood and describe them briefly. What components make up the blood? Write short note on the composition of plasma. So I hope answering these questions will be a piece of cake now. Be sure to take a look at other dental courses on our app. Till then, keep learning and catch you later. Allah Hafiz.